Have you ever wondered, how are Christmas trees grown? Come with us, explore these beautiful Christmas trees. Let's step into the tree's journey, long before it reaches our homes. The history of Christmas trees traces back to the Celts, Romans, and Egyptians. They believed that evergreen trees can ward off evil. But the tradition we recognize today truly took shape in Germany. In the 19th century, devout Christians there began bringing trees into their homes. The Christmas tree tradition spread from Germany to England during the reign of Queen Victoria and was popularized by Prince Albert. By the early 20th century, department store displays and public exhibitions helped the custom reach the masses. Families would often let cut trees dry for a few days before decorating. Trees appeared in public squares and in homes, becoming the tradition we know today. This journey begins with pine varieties, grown from seeds harvested from cones. Seeds are first planted in soil-filled trays, ideal for raising tiny pine seedlings. After removing the seed coats, we spread a thin layer of sawdust over the tray surface. This helps keep them moist. Then we water lightly, creating the ideal environment for seeds to germinate and grow. Next, the trays are moved into the greenhouse. This protects the seedlings from harsh external factors and provides optimal conditions for growth. In this environment, they thrive. Once the seedlings have developed strong root systems, they're transplanted outdoors into full sun, facing wind and temperature changes. Depending on the intended end use, the planting and harvesting methods will vary. These young seedlings can be sold to people who want to plant their own trees. Because they're still small, the seedlings are moved into pots and grown on in a controlled environment. There, they continue to develop, arranged in neat rows across the nursery. Here, in this stage, they receive special lighting and protection to promote steady growth. The tops are trimmed and shaped with a pruning knife, encouraging balanced, symmetrical growth. Excess branches are removed, which also supports healthy development. Growing a tree to several meters tall requires years of careful care. We mark each tree, which helps identify its species and makes management easier. Now it's time to harvest the pine trees. For small or medium quantities, crews use tree diggers or cutters. This saves labor and increases harvesting efficiency. The trees are then netted, ready for transport. Medium-sized pines are carefully tied and wrapped in mesh to ensure safe transit. Pine branches are often repurposed into garlands, creating festive holiday decorations. Four large pine trees, they are felled with a chainsaw and airlifted by helicopter to a collection point. Packing the trees means binding them tightly together, usually with durable nylon rope. This makes handling easier, as well as transport and storage, especially for bulk distribution. After packing, the trees are loaded onto trucks and transported to the cleaning site. At the cleaning facility, the trees are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and debris. After cleaning, they are further processed in the warehouse or prepared directly for distribution. Once the order is confirmed, the trees are packed, ready for delivery to the customer. Want your freshly cut Christmas tree to stay fresh all season? Follow these simple steps to maintain its quality and lifespan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos.